What if I told you that she is he and he is who, but who is actually me? Wait, what? Yes, some Hebrew words have an entire different meaning in English. The Hebrew word he, spelled hey, yod, aleph, he means she in English. The Hebrew word who, spelled hey, vav, aleph, who means he in English. And the Hebrew word me, spelled mem, yod, actually means who in English. So yes, she is he is who, and who is actually me. But it doesn't stop there. If you were ever dreaded to see a frustrated parent say die to the child, well, you should know that the word die, dalet yod, simply means enough. Die. And what if you realize that that very same parent has named their 3 children Dror, Bar, and Dor? Let me reassure you, naming children after household items is definitely not a thing in Hebrew. Most Hebrew names actually have unique meanings attached to them. Dror is pronounced Dror in Hebrew, and it's spelled Daled Resh Vav Resh, Dror. One of the meanings of Dror is freedom. The name Dor, Dalet Vav Resh, pronounced Dor, comes from biblical origins. The literal translation of the word is generation. Bar is spelled Bet Resh and pronounced Bar in Hebrew. One of the meanings of Bar is natural, pure, or wild, as in wildflower. Another common Hebrew name that English speakers find problematic for obvious reasons is the name Moran. Moran is actually a beautiful Hebrew name. It's a type of flower, and it's spelled Mem Vav Resh Nun, pronounced Moran in Hebrew. Did you ever freak out when you heard someone ask for lots of hell in their coffee? Well, nothing to worry about. Hell, pronounced Hey Lamed, spelled Hey Lamed, is actually the coffee spice cardamom, hell. And here's a good tip to remember. If anyone ever asks you to stop being a nudnik, well, you shouldn't do anything wrong, but you may still want to stay away from them. The word nudnik or nudnikit to a female is a word Hebrew borrowed from Yiddish, and it refers to someone who's annoying, someone who's a nuisance, a bothersome person. Well, now you know who nudnik is, but you may still be wondering, who's Doug? Well, Doug is just fish. Daled Gimel, Doug, fish. Do you know any other words that sound differently? Feel free to add them in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed watching this video at least as much as I enjoyed making it. Thanks for watching.